Get it right. I clicked on slice and it gave me automatic chops based on the transients because that's what's selected by default. So here I'm just going through the chops to see if anything stands out. Turning the polyphony to 1 so that each sample cuts off the other one versus playing all the way through. And I'm bringing down the sensitivity to get more data from each chop, as you can see. Right click, delete, frees up that lane, so to speak. Let's delete this one also. As I play these chops, I'm thinking like a drummer. I'm thinking about what I want the beat to sound like in my head as I play through the chops, but I'm actually hitting them as if they're a percussive instrument to catch a beat.